Hello Facebook. Hi everybody, Jamie here. It is Cocktail Time with Jamie and I have a special guest here today. But before I introduce the special guest, let me remind you, Aroma Time is closed this evening. We are closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We'll be back open on Thursday, and our new $9.99 or takeout special will be announced on Thursday. So stay tuned for that. If you're not friends with us on Facebook, please go ahead and log in and join us on Facebook so that you can find out what our specials are. I'll give everybody a moment to join us. So I hope everybody had a great Valentine's Day. Aroma Time was busy, our weekend was busy, so we thank everybody for all of your amazing support over the last 2 years. So I see some people joining me right now, so thank you very much. In the meantime, I would love to introduce my special guest today. So Go ahead and introduce yourself, tell us what you're here for, and you're welcome.
Thank you. Hi everybody, I'm Caterina Baldini from Puglia Rosé Association, and we represent as an association almost 25 wineries around the territory of Puglia, and we promote rosé wines from our land. So we have here we have
today we had a great tasting today. We love when people come and taste with us, and we get to taste different things from the region. But we've known each other a long time now, 2-3 years maybe.
2-3 years.
Yes. So we've met many times in New York City. You've been here to the restaurant, I believe, a couple times. So you today brought a couple of wines with us, which we're going to use this rosé in my drink. But you represent lots of wines from Guiliano.
Exactly. Right? Both red and rosé. This is a special one, of course, a sparkling rosé wine from Nero di Troia, great variety. And
is that normal to have a rosé out of Nero di Troia?
No, it's not so typical. So the rosé wines from Nero di Troia are really special and unique products, such as this Silva Bella rosé wine. And the winery is Le Grotte Winery, which is built on a marble cave, a huge marble cave up in the north of Puglia. So really fantastic and unique wine and great variety.
Here is the map.
We are here, so in the north of Puglia in Capitanata, where the Nero di Troia grows. So Nero di Troia is an autochthonous grape variety from this area of Puglia.
Excellent. So we're tasting wines from a couple of different regions.
We tasted wines from here. So we tasted a Primitivo from Gioia del Colle, which is one of the denomination of Puglia for Primitivo. We have this one, Gioia del Colle, and then we have the Manduria Primitivo, which is completely different also on tasting. And then we tasted another Primitivo from this area, completely different.
Completely different. So the two Primitivos, which are from what you think are the same area of Italy, one northern Puglia and one southern, right?
All from the heel.
What?
All from the heel.
All from the heel, but completely different, taste. And Primitivo happens to be my absolutely favorite grape from Puglia. I just love it. And I actually would probably say it's probably my favorite grape overall now, out of all of the grapes in all the world. I love Primitivo.
And it's becoming more famous.
And people are recognizing it a little bit more, which is really awesome. I think a lot of hard work on people from that region getting it out there.
Of course.
So today we're going to make a special cocktail. Is there anything else you want to share about the area, about the wines?
The important things for us is that the rosé wine, the first rosé wine ever, was bottled in Puglia in 1943 by Leone de Castris with a Negro Amaro grape variety. And Puglia is the highest producer of rosé wine in Italy, with the 43% of the production of all the nation. So
I love rosé too. So that's a great story. I love that. When we went to Puglia, obviously before the pandemic, we were there in, was it November of 2019? And I just fell in love, number one, with that area, but number two, with just the rosé. I mean, the rosé from that area is phenomenal. And then, of course, I found my favorite grape, which is Primitivo. So today we're going to make, and I can't pronounce this, so I have somebody right from Puglia who will tell you this drink, and it was their idea to make this drink. So if I screw it up, I'm sorry, but it sounds really good.
Okay, I got it. Today we're gonna make a really special cocktail, Italian special cocktail with our sparkling rosé wine that is Negroni Sbagliato.
Sbagliato, and I don't say it right. So, but I'm gonna try and I'm gonna attempt to make it. But it's very similar to the Negroni that we're all familiar with. Regular Negronis have gin, Campari, and sweet vermouth. But in this case, we are eliminating the gin, and we are going to use sweet vermouth and a Campari substitute. Those of you here who are watching me, which I have a lot of people on, so thanks everybody for watching me.
And a live studio audience.
And I have a live studio audience. So we are, most of you know we use independent brands, so our Campari substitute is Zamaro, and this has a lot of bitters and spices in it, just like Campari would be, but it's a little stronger, I would say. And then we have sweet vermouth on tap, so we'll be using our sweet vermouth from Spain on tap, and then of course we're going to be using the Silva Bella Prosecco Rosé to top it off. So I'm going to start mixing up the drink. Okay. I'm going to put some ice in my glass. So some ice in the glass. We're going to add. So it's equal parts, Marcus? Equal parts. So an ounce of Zamaro. So I'm not going to measure. I'm just going to go ahead and make it. An ounce of Zamaro. Marcus is pouring me the sweet vermouth on tap. We're going to add about an ounce of sweet vermouth from tap. And then we are going to top it off with the Silva Bella, the Rosé Nero di Troia. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Yes. This looks so good. I am a big Negroni fan. I love Negronis. Are you? Perfect. Yes. So usually I would taste out of the glass, but I am going to mix it on up now. And I'd like for everybody to actually taste it who's here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit into the glass.
Oh, thank you so
for
much.
You. And I'm just going to grab another glass here for myself. And we'll go ahead and we'll taste it together. I'm really excited about this. So cheers. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. Ooh.
That's a real Negroni Sbagliato.
That tastes delicious. So thank you for sharing this wonderful drink with us. I think we might have to put this on the menu. Marcus is reaching for the drink. I have more for my studio audience to taste. So thanks.
Wow.
That's delicious.
Let's see who's on today. So thank you. So we have a lot of people on today. Hopefully, I have Marcus is on, and hello Daniel, hello Courtney, Gerard, Matthew, Lucia, Gigi, Ed, Ralph, Katrina, Janine, hi Janine, Don, Michaela, Leonie, Sammy. Hi Sammy.
Hi.
So
She's on Instagram.
Oh, and on Instagram. Okay, so Lucia, who's here also from Apulia, which is your mom, right?
Yes, my mom.
She is on Instagram right now, sharing the live. So I really appreciate you coming. I really appreciate you bringing all these great wines. We cannot wait to get back to Italy.
Yes,
of course. So as soon as we can get back there, we will. We'll put out that trip again.
Puglia is our first stop.
Puglia is our first stop. As soon as we get back, we just love that region. We love the area, and so thank you. And cheers to everybody. Hope everybody has an awesome night. Again, Aroma Time is closed tonight. It is Tuesday. We're closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We'll be back open on Thursday. Albie is here on Friday night, 6:30 to 9:30. He'll be playing music on Thursday night. So if you want to get out, on Friday night, if you want to get out Friday night and listen to some music, please call ahead, make a reservation. We're open all weekend. And hope everybody has a great day. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see everybody very soon. Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.